Now, let's look at where some of these toxic beliefs come from. You might have been small and sat on grandpa's lap and he just told you because he was trying to be nice. So he said, don't worry about being plumb because the whole family is like that. So there's really no need to worry about that growing up. And that might be a belief that's keeping you back from losing weight. But it's a belief that you will not necessarily be able to finger point and say, that's what's going on. Because that aha moment will only come once you backtrack into that belief and then you say, okay, I cannot lose weight because I'm still holding on to that old belief. That old toxic belief that's running in the background has kept me away from my goal. Like various other goals that you may have that you can never get to